Hey buddy, today in this video we're making chicken breast stuffed with mozzarella cheese cooked in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 2 chicken breasts and we're gonna slice it open. You don't want to cut it all the way through, something like that. And again, we're gonna cut it open. But you don't want to cut it all the way through, just enough so you can put some mozzarella cheese in. There you go. Should look something like this. Next, we're going to open it up and season it. We have here some sea salt and we're just going to apply it. Flip it over, do the same thing. Next, we're going to add some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder. Turn it over. Sprinkle it in the insides too. We're going to add some onion powder. Turn it over. And lastly, some black pepper. Turn it over and do the same thing, some black pepper. There you go. Now we're going to take some mozzarella cheese and put it in the inside of the chicken breast. Then we're going to take some chopped up parsley and put it on top. Next, we're going to close it up. There we go. Everything is nicely closed up. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. We have here some Italian style breadcrumb. And we're just gonna pour some onto the bowl. We have here 2 eggs and we're just gonna crack it open. 1, 2. We're going to beat up the eggs. There we go. It's looking good. We're gonna put this aside. Make sure that the cheese and the parsley is stuffed in there real well. Then we're gonna take it and apply it into the egg. And then we're gonna dip it into the breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. There you go, that's 1. And that's 2. Next, we're going to spray a little bit of cooking oil on it. Turn it over, do the same thing. We're set, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're going to turn it on. We're going to push preheat. And we're going to preheat it at 380 degrees. And start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 380 degrees. And now we're gonna put it in. Before we put it in, we're gonna spray a little bit of cooking oil in here. Then we're gonna take the chicken breast and put it in. There you go. We're just going to spray a little bit more cooking oil. Go. We're going to put it in. We're going to set the time back to 380. And for the time, we're going for 20 minutes. And start. and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Now we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna flip it over. It's nice and crispy on the outside. Make sure they're nicely spread apart. And then we're gonna take a little bit of cooking oil and spray on this side. There you go. Alright, we're gonna put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Before we take it out, we're gonna check the temperature. And it's well above 165 degrees for this one. Let's check this one. And it's also well above 165 degrees. And we're good to go. And take it out. And now we're gonna cut it up. It's nice and crispy on the outside. Next, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Chicken breast stuffed with mozzarella. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.